Putwam, what have you seen?
What I see here on Monday today, it was a move. But we feel it, Melkuluga. Sihluleke nokusebenza, and it was lunchtime with that time. Sahluleka nokusebenza, savala amashopu because of amarafulu akhala la ngaphandle. Amarafulu akhala la ngaphandle sigcina sivale izitolo. Sesibheka ama-move la ngaphandle. Hey, into engibonile nje mina ngesingami nje ngoba ngisebenzela ngaphandle. Bafo ngibone yonke imove. Itelemoto lena macethu ukujika la emarobotini eShell garage iya ngapha esikolweni. Hayi, it was the biggest move. Ngoba labantu bathi uma baceda ukwehla ku BMW lapha. Behle ku BMW oyi-1 wajump straight, oyi-1 wajump straight. Fortuna la selijika esikolweni loshayisa igate le ilo ifence esikolo le. Khona ukureverse lijika liphinde libhekela kuphi? Libheke eNandose la Xavier. Awu labantu ababili laba la selibathatha ke iFortuna laba shaba bathi laba batheka le Fortuna. Yangithola. Njengoba bathi batheka le Fortuna pressing the Sanarite through to them. The other guy jumped that side, the other guy take him under the car. From there till McDonald by the gate, Mchachos. The guy was already shot. He didn't able to break the car just stopped with the paving.
So, but you say that what you've seen, you saw something like a movie.
Yes, there is some other guy who was with that guy there, who was under the car. He ran away through to traffic department. When he jumped the robot, he take the small gun, he put in to the underpant.
So you're saying that you are still traumatized, you are still scared of what?
Namanje nje angizitholi kahle ngoba ngifuna ukuya endlini. Uyabo sekulate. Ngifuna ukuya endlini namanje angizitholi kahle lento engiyibonile nje straight. Angikhona nokusebenza lapha. Angizitholi kahle.
It was scary.
No man, it was Raful was just wabona lento bekhala la. Ama Raful nje phela ngathini ngoba ngiyazi inhlobo esibhamu ngasho ukuthi bekhala AK.
How many shots you've had during this incident?
It was too much. Too much. I already ran inside the shop. I tell them to close the shop. I come outside again to come and see when
seemingly the person who was shot, who was driving that car that we've just seen now, he's a businessman, and you know these people around here.
Yes, he used to come and buy food there, Nando's. They used to come and support us there in our shop. Those people, we know them.